Welcome back to Review Mobile, your go-to source for honest and up-to-date smartphone reviews. Today, we're diving into the Tecno Spark 30 Pro, a budget-friendly device that's been turning heads with its promising features. If you're looking for value without breaking the bank, this might just be the one. Design and display. The Tecno Spark 30 Pro comes with a sleek design that belies its affordable price. It sports a large 6.6-inch IPS LCD display with a 90 Hz refresh rate, offering a smooth scrolling experience and decent brightness even under sunlight. The plastic build feels sturdy, and the matte finish on the back resists fingerprints, adding to its practicality. Performance and software. Under the hood, the Spark 30 Pro is powered by the MediaTek Helio G88 chipset, coupled with 8 GB of RAM and up to 256 GB of internal storage. This setup handles everyday tasks like browsing, social media, and light gaming without major hiccups. The device runs on iOS 13 based on Android 13, featuring a clean interface with some useful customizations and minimal bloatware. Camera capabilities. The Spark 30 Pro features a 50 megapixels AI dual camera system at the rear, delivering surprisingly good results in well-lit conditions. Colors are vibrant, and details are crisp for a phone in this price segment. The 8 megapixels front camera handles selfies reasonably well, although low light performance is average across both sensors. Battery life and charging. One of the standout features is the 5000 mAh battery, which easily powers through a full day of moderate to heavy use. Tecno includes an 18W fast charger in the box, which helps top up the battery in just over 2 hours, respectable for its class. Final verdict. The Tecno Spark 30 Pro offers strong value for budget-conscious buyers. With a smooth display, capable performance, and reliable battery life, it covers all the basics while adding a few welcome extras. If you're upgrading on a budget, this phone deserves a spot on your shortlist. Outro.